This is a quick video showing two different ways of actually calculating the probability for Project 7, our birthday project. So one of the ways that we could do this is simply go into the applications. So it looks like the applications for Chapter 4. And we could change those values. So 365 and was it 7? It was indeed. Okay, so there's our permutations and of course our combinations as well. We could also do this by going into GeoGebra directly. So if I go into GeoGebra and I go into GeoGebra Classic, I can enter this value as a permutation. So let me show you how that looks as you're entering it. So I want to just, well, it's not letting me do that. Okay, so this is a quick video about how we'd use GeoGebra to actually calculate one of these probabilities. So this is from Project 7. This is the birthday project. So in this case, we've got 7 people in the room. Now, one of the things that we could do is go into the applications for Chapter 4. Remember, this is in the class resources folder. And we could say, well, n is 365. So let's enter 365, and I think that we were looking at 7 people. So here's our permutations. Of course, it also gives us our combinations and the factorial if it's not too large. We could also open a new tab and go into GeoGebra directly. So of course that's classic. Now to do this, I'm going to enter it from the command line. So I'm going to go to just a simple Word document so that I can show you how this looks. So 1 minus, so the command in GeoGebra for permutations is NPR. So you first enter n, which is 365, then a comma, then r. And of course, dividing is the slash, just like on a calculator. 365 raised to the 7th power. So that's how I would enter it if I wanted to enter it just from the keyboard. So if I was using a less sophisticated machine, I could certainly do that. I'm going to go back in and I'm going to paste it in. Now when I paste it in, it's going to look great because this is GeoGebra. It's also going to round to 2 decimal places. If I want to make this to see more decimal accuracy, I could go in, let's say, to 15 decimal places. So I could round that to whatever place I need it to. So 2 different ways of getting the important parts of this problem. I hope that helps.